and gentlemen, and welcome to the Noob Trading Group. I'm Noob Trader, and today's date is August 3rd, 2017. So I have to be honest with you guys, I really effed up today. I was very undisciplined. I got into trades early. Um, my mind was in the game. I woke up slightly late, and I slept around like 2, 3 a.m. So there's no excuses for any of that. But last night I was trying to upload videos on YouTube, and other than that, let's dive into what happened today. So I was up around this time posting videos and trying to make a new trader channel on YouTube with the intro, just trying to go back and record, trying to cut it really short, but it was really, very difficult, didn't know what to say. So let's go back into Thursday open on the European session. Right here, it dipped down, and I thought that it might go test the 49, but it did not, and it pulled back around 1 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I wish I would have got into this trade, but I was telling myself, hey, look, I got to be disciplined. And I figured it'd probably try and go test this $50 level. And I apologize for saying I actually say that a lot. So I'm going to try to omit that from my vocabulary. Taking a look at the chart right here, I will show you where are all the trades that I got in and out of and what I was thinking in my mind to help you better understand. And I'll show you the actual trade which I should have gotten in. So before I begin, let's go with the actual trade that I got in, but I didn't stick to my guns. I was a little bit nervous side. So right here, the actual trade is to go short here at this 49.71, which was actually my second trade. The stop is right here at this 49.96. And the target we were looking for was in the 36, I recall. Right here at the 36 level. And the stop loss total was getting in was risking $250 to make $350 per contract. This was the trade, and if I stuck to my guns, I would have been very happy today. I would have been up like $700 today. But that wasn't the case. So understanding that, I'm going to show you the trades that I got in, and I'll justify why, but there's no justification for breaking rules. I was actually really mad at myself. So let's go to fill orders today, and I will walk you through everything that I saw. I overtraded today. It's bad. I don't recommend anybody to do it, but this is what happened today, and this is real life. And I told you guys I'm going to be transparent about my trading. So I bought 2 contracts today at 6:17:09 a.m. So that was right 6:17, sorry, 17. Somewhere in between here at 90. Okay, and I will tell you why. I saw that it was going to try to break anywhere close above the 96. I was looking for it to go above the 50 and hopefully test the highs of, I believe, this week at $50.43 and possibly going to the $51 level. I saw this huge monster rally after the European session open. I thought it was a continuous rally, but I was totally wrong. I put my stop loss down here at the 71 level and with no designated target. So a lesson to be learned here, don't get in early, even though you see something. If it closed above here, yes, it would have been a confirmed entry for me, but it did not. So it just ran down afterwards, and I got stopped out. I was a little bit upset. I was a little bit mad. I'm like, oh my gosh, I got to upload a video, so I don't want to show that I'm undisciplined. So right now I'm probably down about, give or take, $400. And I said, okay, fine. So it showed right here I got stopped out at 71. And my dumb mind, because I kind of freaked out and got a little bit nervous and undisciplined at this point, I got in right here at this $70, 49.70 for the short. I reversed my position. And let's see, I sold 2 and ultimately at 634.03, 634.03, around this bar area. It came down towards this area, and I was hoping it was going to collapse some more. It did not. So what I ended up doing, it came back. Where did I reverse my position at 720? So it did this one more time, and this is all in the 7 o'clock area, and it just reversed and pulled apart. So I eventually reversed. I was profitable in this zone already. I should have been looking for the target of the 36, But I was a little bit nervous, and I'll explain why I got really nervous and why I exited early. So going back to the setup, this was actually the second trade, which I should have just left it there. But yeah, I was very hesitant. So here was the second trade, and it started pulling hard. And I'm going to show you on the 1 hour chart what I saw. And let me zoom in real quick. So on the 1 hour chart, it created this candle. That's why I kind of reversed at the 71 area, because it showed a huge wick. The body was starting to pull up. I got reversed in at the 71, so I took another 20-cent loss. Oh, no, sorry, another one tick loss. So I was probably down like $420. And it started rallying. And for me, I said, this is the R zone. If it's going to continue breaking up, it's going to push forward a lot higher. And eventually it went up to this 49.95 area. And I never got out because I wanted more. I felt greedy today. So let me go back to the 5-minute and show you what happened. So those are the reversal trades that I got in at the 71. So that time frame that I got in was at 720. 720 was right about here. Oh, so it did not pull down yet, I believe. And then 721, so 54. Okay, I see what I did. And I will map out how when you're unsure and indecisive, it will kill you big time. And you tend to make dumb mistakes like me today. So I reversed at the 71 because I was close to down about $1,000 earlier. And it ripped down on me. And I see that I sold one at 54, hoping it was going to crash down some more. Yes, sold two, so total of 4 at 54. So I'm going to move this down to this 54 level, like a dummy I am. I reversed my position here to go short. And you're just going to be like, what the hell are you doing? I even asked myself, what the hell am I doing? I really did not know what I was doing. I was just really frustrated, like, oh my gosh, what's the market doing? It's not doing anything. And then it rips up. And then I take the 49.66 to go reverse and long in. So at this point, 66, I have reversed my position. Let's see. I went in one time long, one short, went back long, went short, went long. So that was about like five trades or 2 contracts. So I traded about 10 lots. So that's about 5 trades total. It went up that high. It came close to breaking me even, but I did not even get out. I was kind of like, oh my gosh, what am I doing? I'm stupid. Like it told me it didn't break yet. Why am I in? So I saw it do this, and I said, well, if I was initially in my previous second trade, I would still be in my trade because it never stopped me out at the 96. So I eventually reversed it one last time. I said, you know what? If it breaks up here, I'm out. I'm going to call it a day. I ultimately entered this trade at 72 to go short. And I ultimately put my stop right here at this 96. And I said, okay, if it's not going to break, it's going to fall. It didn't make new highs. It's going to make new lows. And that's what I was telling myself. And the low at that time was I think 12 or 12, 49.12 or 49.13. So my target was no longer here, but I left it there. And I shorted and waited basically till the close of the market. I was looking for a $49 even. I didn't know if it was going to go there or not. And eventually it came down and I exited at the 49.05 at the close of the market where it closed. I thought it was going to fall some more. It did not. And ultimately leaving me at a profitable day of $480. After fees is about $380. But I just want to say, guys, be disciplined. If I was disciplined today, I would have made $700 with less amount of stress. But it just the signals I keep getting. Sometimes it's better to just put your trade on, walk away from the screen, let it hit your stop, or let it hit your target. I got really nervous, and I don't know if you can see this, but I'm gonna post a picture. And I said, I know why I messed up today. I'm so mad, guys. I'm wearing my T-shirt that says "Ignore the rules." Post that on the post as well, and maybe I should burn this shirt, man. I'm really annoyed. Here's my P&L total for the day. It's right now 11,281. I know I shouldn't have overtraded. It could have been devastating. I could have lost more than $1,000, but luckily it worked out in my favor. It's undisciplined. I know I shouldn't do it. I don't recommend anybody else to do it. But other than that, guys, I will see you tomorrow, and let's stay disciplined. And I'm gonna make sure I go to sleep early tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow at 5:50 a.m. And let's make money, guys. Okay, you guys have a wonderful evening, and I will see you tomorrow.